Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 25 daily use sentences, or you can say spoken English sentences. So, respect to your precious time, let's start the video without any delay. Let's practice with these sentences and enhance your spoken English. उसने मुझे अंधेरे में रखा. He kept me in the dark. He kept me in the dark. मुझे मना करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. I don't like to refuse. I don't like to refuse. अपनी नखरे मुझे मत दिखाओ. Don't show me your tantrums. Don't show me your tantrums. मैं तो बस यूं ही कह दिया. I just said casually. I just said casually. तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. You did wonders. You did wonders. तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? Is your health all right? Is your health all right? इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. There is no doubt in it. There is no doubt in it. मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुनूं? Why should I listen to you? Why should I listen to you? यह चिंता का विषय है. It is a topic of concern. It is a topic of concern. इतना निराशावादी मत बनो. Don't be so pessimistic. Don't be so pessimistic. यह तुम्हारी गलतफहमी है. It's your misunderstanding. It's your misunderstanding. उसको गलतफहमी हो गई है. She has a misunderstanding. She has a misunderstanding. मैं यहाँ पास में रहता हूँ. I live in near here. I live in near here. मैं तुम्हें ताना नहीं दे रहा हूँ. I am not taunting you. I am not taunting you. क्या तुम मेरे लिए काम करोगे? Will you work for me? Will you work for me? मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है. It's always happen with me. It always happen with me. मैं तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ. I am making you understand. I am making you understand. मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं है. I don't have time to talk. I don't have time to talk. मुझे आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए. I need your blessing. I need your blessing. मुझे अपने फैसले पर पछतावा है. I regret my decision. I regret my decision. मैं अफवाहों पर विश्वास नहीं करता. I don't believe in rumors. I don't believe in rumors. उसके लिए मुझे सोचना होगा. I will have to think for that. I will have to think for that. 1 घंटे बाद मुझसे यहीं मिलना. Meet me right here after an hour. Meet me right here after an hour. So friends, ये थे 25 daily use sentences. Let's practice with this sentence and enhance your spoken English. I will see you in my next video with more sentences. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep learning.